like this is great for the industry. It brings everyone together. It's a great way of coming and sharing ideas, new flavours, and it's been an absolutely amazing day.
We come to this show to look for inspiration for different products and new presentation ideas, and just get us into kind of modern age. We're a traditional farm shop, but we need to come forward, and we've seen today as a really awe-inspiring day to get some new products on and, you know, have a really good look around, really.
You get ideas as to how to display your products, new recipes. Yeah, these shows give you a lot of ideas for your own branches.
I'm very, very pleased and honoured to have Team GB here today. If you don't mind, I'm going to call them up to the stage, and you can give them a big round of applause because they did a fantastic job. They worked very, very hard. I just want to say these guys, and they represented us in such an incredible way. They did a marvellous job. Thank you, guys.
Brings a lot of people together and they talk to each other, and some will say, well, I've got this at my shop, and oh yeah, that's a good idea, I'll get some for mine, and atmosphere is fantastic. That's why these shows are so good for us.
We've had a really good day, tried all sorts of different things, got some really good ideas, some new suet pudding cases to try for some new pies that we're going to head for winter. Really, really good, had a lovely day.
It's been a really good day, we've got a few new ideas, and let's hope it's something that they do again.
You can see how many people are here today, and it promotes the business because people come down and watch. To watch it as a butcher, you also get a lot of ideas you can take back to your shop or further competitions, so you're sort of openly sharing your ideas with other people, which is quite important really, and it's good to see.
You know, we've got some really good guys today doing lots of different displays, and everybody's going to take that back to their shop, and then they're going to produce these products to make their shop look just as good as our displays today.
You don't get this kind of stuff in the supermarket, so it's a chance to show what we can do.
I think it brings everyone together and shows everyone different ideas. I think it went well. I'm pleased with the display, so just have to wait and see now.
The runner-up for the Best Craft Butcher 2018 here at DF Dickens in Nottingham goes to Joe Smith. Well done, Joe. Right, and the winner of the Best Craft Butcher 2018 goes to James Taylor.
Really pleased about that, so it pays off for all the time and the effort that's been put into it, so for all the help that I get from Simpsons itself, so yeah, it's been good. Yeah, I'm really pleased with how the display came off. I'm happy with that.
So for me, watching, especially that competition, watching the guys work was really interesting. Was really something to aspire to. Because I'd quite like, in a couple of years, I'd like to be up there competing and having a go.
And we've had lots of really long-standing loyal customers come today, and really for me, yeah, we want to sell as much product as we can, but really it's about saying thank you to them.